Unlock the secret to building wealth without gambling your future away. Discover how simple, strategic savings can transform into a financial empire over time. The power of compound interest. Start small and let your savings grow exponentially. Compounding interest means earning returns on your returns, turning modest amounts into substantial sums over time. Budgeting for savings. Create a budget that prioritizes savings. Allocate a portion of your income to savings before other expenses. This disciplined approach ensures consistent contribution to your future. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account. Automating savings removes the temptation to spend, ensuring consistent growth without requiring constant attention. Diversify your investments. Spread risk by diversifying investments. A mix of stocks, bonds, and savings accounts balances potential returns with safety, reducing the chance of significant losses. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts. Maximize savings with tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks. These tools enhance growth by deferring taxes, allowing more of your money to compound over time. Emergency fund importance. Establish an emergency fund to prevent derailing savings goals. With a safety net for unexpected expenses, you can continue investing without tapping into long-term funds. Limit high-risk investments. Avoid high-risk investments that jeopardize savings. Stick to low-risk, consistent growth options that protect your nest egg while still providing potential returns. Live below your means. Adopt a lifestyle that supports savings. By living below your means, you free up resources to invest in your future rather than indulging in fleeting luxuries. Reinvest dividends. Reinvest dividends to accelerate growth. Instead of cashing out, let dividends buy more shares, compounding returns and enhancing the power of your investment portfolio. Review and adjust regularly. Regularly review your financial plan. Adjust contributions and investments to align with changing goals and market conditions, ensuring your strategy remains effective. Educate yourself continuously. Invest in financial education. Understanding markets and personal finance empowers you to make informed decisions, minimizing risk and maximizing potential gains. Leverage employer benefits. Take advantage of employer-provided benefits. Contributions to retirement plans or stock options can significantly boost savings without additional personal expense. Set clear financial goals. Define specific, attainable financial goals. Clear objectives guide your savings strategy, providing motivation and a roadmap for achieving financial independence. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Resist the urge to upscale spending with income increases. Maintain current living standards to direct additional funds towards savings, accelerating your path to wealth. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge progress to stay motivated. Celebrating milestones reinforces positive habits, keeping you engaged and committed to your long-term financial journey.